Hello everyone, my name is Xiang G. I was a master's student in KSOP, and last year I was taking part into the project Smart Factory in Daimler. So actually now I have already graduated, and I'm now doing PhD study also in Daimler. Today I would like to introduce more about Smart Factory and also share my own experience. Actually, this was the first time I was working in a typical German industrial entrepreneur, and I just gained the impression about how the things is running, like inside such a big entrepreneur and leading company in the automobile industry, and how they defined the technical standard, working flow, and also also for people, how they work every day and how they communicate with other people, and how do they build up a team to focus on one project. That is really nice for me, because I really got something I cannot get in the university. Yeah. So actually the reason is quite easy, because at that time I just wanted to gain more experience in the industry and also the practical phase, because usually students learn some knowledge in the university, but they don't have much chance to put the knowledge into practice. So actually I just want to make it through such a project and also train my practical skill.